welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm Deanna. I am coming back to you with, of course, another wig install. The hair that I'm installing today is from UNICE. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So this is a 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots curtain bang wig, and this color, I think this is a 99J, but I'm gonna have all the information and like the specific details for real, like floating across the screen. But this is what the wig looks like. So it has like the purple highlights in there, which is so cute. The purple highlights along with like the brownish color here. It comes pre-curled, and it has curtain bangs that come with these rollers, or this roller already in it. And it's a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. So of course that means the lace is already pre-cut. The knots are already bleached. And then it is on this dome cap here, and then it has this non-slip grip around the base of the wig. It has a comb at the back. It is really cute, a really cute, pretty summer color, especially with the highlights. So definitely excited to install that. Before I get into the video and everything, I'm just gonna show you what came in the box. So it does come with a separate wig band, because that's important to keep your wig on. It comes with ear tape, so the bye-bye knots ear tape that you use on your temples. It comes with that. It comes with this edge band, a wig cap, and an edge brush. So if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Take off my wig cap. I already have my hair in these 4 little crunchy braids back here, don't judge me. And I'm gonna use my edge booster to slick my edges back. All right, and so now I'm just gonna take a couple bobby pins and pin up my little braids here. I wish I was a better braider so that it would at least be a little neat, but I do what I can. So there are these little grooves on the inside of the wig, and then there's a hook on the band, so it just slides right in to the little thing, whatever it's called. Slide it in on the other end, and then before I put it on, I'm just gonna adjust it to make sure it's kind of like as tight as I want it. I think this is good. All right, so this is what it's giving. It does have little ear cutouts right here, so it fits comfortably around my ear. Perfect. I'm so glad. I feel like I don't need any glue for this, like, because it's a snug fit so far. I feel like, well, I will put a little bit of spray here, and I will still do my baby hairs because of course I can see my edges right here, but I definitely don't need any glue for this. I think this is supposed to be a glueless wig anyway. So yeah. Okay, so you see how that little bit covers my real hair right here? That's all I need. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. That looks perfect. All right, so swoop this. Okay. All right, now I'm just taking some of this black spray, spraying it across my hairline. And then once it's become tacky, like not all the way dry, but just a little tacky, I'm just gonna like re-swoop my edges. I'm kind of like trying to mold the edges into the spray now, because when the spray is wet, like you can't really mold your edges into it. You have to kind of wait for it to dry. All right, so now I'm gonna take the little edge wrap that they gave me and wrap my edges. This is like the little thin band. I'm used to using the thicker ones, so I don't know how this one is gonna work out, but I'm just gonna try it. So we got that wrapped. I'm gonna leave this like down and wrapped for like 10 minutes. You really wanna let it sit. I learned that the hard way. You can't just let it sit for like a minute or 2 and think you're good. No, you gotta let it sit for like 10-15 minutes for real, so that it can set into place. So I'm gonna recurl these bangs because I kind of did them dirty when I had to tuck them backwards. Good enough. So it comes pre-curled, but as you can see, because it's been in the box and everything, the curls kind of definitely like fell out of it. It didn't really maintain its curl. This is what it looks like in the back. So I am gonna go ahead and recurl it, but before I do, I just wanna like comb through it like this. So this is what it's looking like. Not getting any, no shedding. Okay. T, no shedding. All right. But I am gonna go ahead and curl it. I'm gonna curl it in layers because I really want to curl it well. And I'm using this size curling iron. I got this curling iron from Amazon. It has like different interchangeable sizes. This isn't the biggest barrel, it's the one beneath it. I didn't want to use the biggest barrel. Actually, I was just too lazy to switch it out. And I just want to see what it looks like with that size barrel anyway. I'm gonna lightly now spray some like Got To Be Free spray, only because this is the only hairspray that I have. I need like a really good like holding hairspray besides spritz. For some reason the spritz bottles, I don't know if anybody else has this issue, but like the little spritz bottles, they keep getting clogged and it's like I can never spray them. I don't know what the freaking issue is. So anyways, now I have to use this Got To Be Free spray. This is because I want a little bit of hold on these curls. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the band. And it's a little white right here. Just a little bit, not too bad. So I'm gonna take my cream makeup. It's Ruby Kisses. I got it from Amazon. The color that I use is 15. It has two different colors in here though. One's lighter and one's a little bit darker. So I just mix the two. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. And then I just put it along my hairline and into my hair on the sides. Not too much though, not too much. And there we go. Now I'm gonna flip this forward, pull this out. Okay. And I'm just gonna run my fingers through these curls. And I'm debating if I need to do like concealer on the part because I kind of like how the part looks as is. But what I will do is instead of putting a fresh line of concealer, this is my angled brush that I use for my eyebrows and it already has like concealer residue on it. So I'm just gonna take my brush and put it along the part. And you see it was already some product on there, so just a little bit and not too much. And this is the final look. It's looking so cute. Hold on, because the color is everything. Like, you need to see this color. Yeah, T, and you watched me install this whole thing. First of all, it was quick and easy. I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding, as you saw. Like, the fact that everything was done, the longest part was curling the hair, and that only took like 10 minutes, honestly. So yeah, definitely get you one of these. I love this series. Like now that wig companies are noticing like how much work it really takes to install a wig, so they're helping cut out some of that work for us so that you could do it yourself at home and save some coin and save some money, because that's the most important thing. Like, yes, it's good to go get your hair done every now and then because there's nothing like having your hair professionally done, but not all of us can do that all the time. So if you definitely want to save some time, some money, some effort, energy, all that, get you one of these, a 7x5, because it's not like a full frontal unless you just prefer frontals. But for me, these work out better because of the type of hairline I have. So it like stops right here. It's easy for me to install. It blends and looks way better, and I can install it and now I can go about my day. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.